Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper, your go-to source for survival strategies and prepping advice. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for many preppers: prepping on a budget. You don't need to break the bank to be prepared. With the right approach, you can build a solid foundation of supplies and skills without spending a fortune. The first step is to prioritize your purchases. Focus on the essentials: food, water, shelter, and security. Start with non-perishable food items that are cheap and have a long shelf life, like rice, beans, pasta, and canned goods. Buying in bulk can save even more. For water, invest in affordable storage options and purification methods, like water storage containers and basic water filters. When it comes to shelter, simple weatherproofing, like sealing windows and doors, can be done with inexpensive materials and make a big difference. For security, consider budget-friendly options like fortifying doors and windows with inexpensive locks or DIY security bars. One of the best ways to save money is by doing it yourself. DIY prepping can be both cost-effective and rewarding. Many prepping items can be made from materials you already have. For example, you can create a basic first aid kit from items at home or make fire starters from dryer lint and egg cartons. Don't throw away old items, upcycle them into useful prepping tools. Glass jars can be used for food storage, and old clothing can be repurposed into rags or insulation. Also, consider making your own cleaning supplies or personal hygiene products with simple items like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Prepping doesn't have to mean buying everything new. Be smart with your shopping. Thrift stores and garage sales can be gold mines for prepping supplies, like camping gear, blankets, and tools, all at a fraction of the cost. Always be on the lookout for deals. Use coupons, wait for sales, and buy in bulk when prices drop. Don't underestimate dollar stores. They often carry essentials like canned goods, basic first aid items, and cleaning supplies at unbeatable prices. Online marketplaces like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace are also great for finding used gear at a fraction of the cost. Prepping isn't just about gear. Skills are just as important, and they can be learned for free or on the cheap. There are countless free resources online, including YouTube tutorials, blogs, and forums where you can learn survival skills, from fire starting to first aid. Look for community workshops or classes. Many areas offer free or low-cost courses on gardening, first aid, and other useful skills. Regular practice can be done at little to no cost, whether it's practicing fire making, cooking with stored food, or setting up a tent. These activities build confidence and competence. Finally, remember that prepping is a marathon, not a sprint. Set aside a small amount of money each week or month specifically for prepping. Even $5 a week can add up over time. Start small. Begin with a basic emergency kit, then slowly add to it as your budget allows. Don't try to do everything at once. And before buying something new, consider whether you already own something that can serve the same purpose. Sometimes, the best prepping tool is the one you already have. Prepping on a budget is not only possible, it's practical. By prioritizing essentials, utilizing DIY projects, shopping smart, building skills, and taking a slow and steady approach, you can be well prepared without overspending. The goal isn't to have the most expensive gear, but to be ready for whatever comes your way. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly prepping advice. And as always, stay prepared, stay safe, and keep on prepping. Thanks for watching Doomsday Prepper. Check out our other videos on survival skills and prepping tips And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.